Send beautiful eCards for all occasions with free Gmail eCards by cloudHQ. After installing the extension from the Google Chrome Web Store, you can access the free eCard library in your Gmail inbox by composing a new email and clicking the eCard button here. Now you can browse your eCard library and select an eCard for whatever occasion you need. Once selected, it will automatically populate in your Gmail email, where you can easily edit it to fit your needs. Your eCard will be sent to your recipient as an email, which means there'll be no external links that your lucky recipient has to click to receive your heartwarming eCard, and it won't be labeled as spam either. There's hundreds of eCards for every occasion, and we're adding more every week. Let someone know you're thinking of them and send one out today, all without ever leaving Gmail. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.